Dadskillz. Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today I'm in the toilet and I've got a smelly problem. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is what we're doing. We've got my basin with its bottle trap waste thing there, and then it goes down there, and it goes down there somewhere. Now this would be fine, but this waste goes straight into the drain with this toilet, and I'm getting bad smells come up through there. And so if you look at this bottle trap, so the water would come in here, and excess water would flow away down there, which is fine. But in this case, there's nothing to stop the smells coming up from the sewer, so the water would get to there and then stop trickling away, meaning that the smell could come back up there, and it would easily go through there and back out in there. So if we take a look at the example outside of my kitchen waste, it just comes out of here, it goes straight down there, and it's in. It obviously needs doing a little bit better, but it just goes into open air. There's no chance of any bad smells coming back up through that pipe. But like I say, the toilet waste is a bit different. So to stop that, we are going to fit this clever one-way valve in there, I think, and then I can paint it grey to match everything else so you'll hardly see it. You can put this one vertically or horizontally, and it's got that useful little flow mark on it. So we'll mark that up and cut that out. So while I'm doing that, let's have a look at a short that I made the other day about this thing, because I think it's simple but very clever. So inside it we've got this little rubber funnel type thing, and it opens up with the water passes through it, the weight of the water, and when it stops it just closes back up so nothing can get back up the other way. Brilliant. Well, that was dead easy, and now all I'm going to do is slacken off that, and I'll let that drop down a bit and put it together and put that back on. But just before I do that, I've had a little idea. A stupid idea, but a little idea. And then right, that was straightforward. And we'll give it a little test, shall we? So it'll be going down there through its one-way valvey thing, and that will close when I turn the water off. That's cool, no leaks. I'll keep having a look over the next couple of days just to make sure. But that's another Dadskillz jobbed. And I'll catch you again. Get up, twat.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.